Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter from Dallas, Texas. And what you're looking at here is Herculist. This is another way of getting traffic to your program or your website. I use this often, almost every day, if not every day. And I'm always uh, giving out information on how to get traffic to your program or your business opportunity. This is one sure free way that you can do so. All you have to do is follow the link down in the description part and open up your free account. And then you want to log in. I'm going to show you what I do daily. I'm going to sign in. Be patient with me. We're going to make sure that we are not a bot. I am a human. Sometimes they'll put this up here so you can verify that you are a human. They want me to click on traffic lights. And we're going to see if that works. Seem like it does. So we're going to log in. After you sign up to get your free account, just a second. When you go to the bottom of my page, you will see this site here, and you just click up here to sign up, get your free account. And a little bit about Hercules Plus is faster results. Hercules Plus faster results. Advertise to thousands daily, free. And to get started, you just put in your website, get started. I mean, and then you're on your way. We currently have 260,260 members. And this is a little bit about Hercules. Trusted for almost 20 years, Hercules has been a trusted internet marketing source for thousands of marketers worldwide. Email web marketing, embedded 100% safe opt-in list. Send your ad to opportunity seekers in email and web format. 100% real traffic. Real people means real traffic to your website. No fake traffic or bots. You want people to see your business opportunity, real people. And you can get sign-ups just out of this free program. And you can upgrade if you want to and start earning commission on people that comes in if you introduce this program to them. And it's a powerful tool. Many free advertising tools to choose from to help build your business, including our new MonsterBLURB splash page builder. Okay, earn. Affiliated programs paying up to 50% commission. Get paid within 24 hours. Network. Join thousands of like-minded business owners and opportunity seekers from all over the world. And you just click to get started. I've been using Hercules for some years now, and it's real lucrative in building any business. And once you log in, this is what I do. I go to the zone. I love the zone because I can put my website inside of the zone and start just clicking on the next zone site. But what you want to do, you want to go to setting and stats, and you want to put your website URL right here. I have my Lead Sleep one sign up a day site in there. Okay, you want to just test it right here. Whatever site or program you are advertising will go in that space. And once you have tested, just go back to the zone and just start clicking on different people's sites. Next zone. When sites come up, you're getting credit to your site. People are looking at your site. Whatever you have put in the setting stats, that's what they see. I don't care what program you're with, what business opportunity you're with. If you have a web page, a website, just put it right in there. Let me see. I can show you an example, but it's simple. Just put your website in there and then test it. If your website doesn't break frames, then it will show your website, and then you are good to go. Herculist is one of the best traffic surfing programs I know of. It's been around for years. I mean years. I've been using it for a long time. And you can do the same thing, get traffic to your site if you with, just say if you with the Conversion Pros, the Lead Sleep, any program that you're advertising, you can come over here and simply put in your site. I don't know what happened there, but anyway, we'll go back to the zone, and just start clicking the next zone site. And different sites gonna come up. Long as you're looking at sites or surfing, we call it surfing. This is traffic exchange. And then you can go over here, go to your account, and then visit different ways. You have your settings over here, vacation mode, support, upgrade if you want to, submit an ad. Okay, let's go to submit an ad. They advertise all day. Every time you come over, you're going to see some advertisement. So don't be alarmed when you see many advertisements come up. Okay, I'm going to continue to mail her. This is how I mail out to those thousands of people when I get ready to submit my ad. This is a power blurb over here. You can get credits by just clicking on that power blurb. But let me show you how, and that's another way to advertise power blurb. Okay, let me show you how. See, I've already created my ads to go out, and what I want to do is resubmit a previous ad. And I see how advertisement, different pages come up. Yours will pop up as well to other people that goes into their Herculist. Okay, continue to mail a history. Your regular credit mailing history. I don't know what happened there, but it don't show my credit history. I had ads that I had mailed previously. Resubmit previous ad. I guess after so long they would take them down if you don't submit them. So, but anyway, I go back over to mailer ads, continue to mailer to the mailer, the ad mailer. We're gonna go over there, and what you do is go down here. You put your subject line right here. You put your URL, your link. Don't forget to put your link right there, and then put your body, whatever you're gonna say in your ad, and then you submit your ad. Then it goes out to thousands of people. So this is the way I advertise each and every day through Herculist Plus. So at the bottom of this video, click on that link, go ahead and get your free membership, sign up here, and then start promoting to thousands of people each and every day. 260,260 members in our program right now that will see your ad. All right, my name is Marlon Carter, and I will see you on the next video. If you click that subscribe button, you will get the next video that I record, but just click that icon bell, and so you can be alerted on my next video. You all have a wonderful day or night. I hope this has helped you to get more traffic to your business opportunity or your programs. Bye bye now.